In the billing section of Workamajig, we have a dashboard. And it's really nice because the dashboard will provide us with a great deal of information, but it also gives us access to any of the details. As you can see, my dashboard has a lot of different graphs referring to the different components that it's monitoring. Any of these different items I can always drill into. So if I want to know what project did I write this $25 off of, I can drill into it and see exactly which project. If I want to know what invoices are aging and which ones are aging out the longest, I can drill into any of those. And as an added benefit, if I select any of those, I can re-email them over to the client. Maybe it's going to prompt them to get that payment in, or maybe they simply just lost it and we needed to send it over again. But we can do it really quickly right through the dashboard, providing us with graphics, visual representation of variable items, but easy access into anything it's showing us so that we can either review or even utilize that information to pass on.